Hey guys, so in today's video we're gonna do a different type of eyeliner. That is why I have no base makeup on, so let's just get right on with the video. I'm going to be using the Anastasia liquid lipstick in Carina. I'm going to be using this as a eyeliner with burnt orange. Put that in my crease as my transition shade. You guys know that if you see my last videos, I have the hardest time saying that, so for getting it the first time, that's pretty good. Love letter. Okay, so that's about all I'm gonna do for eyeshadow because I want the eyeliner to pop more than just like the eyeshadow itself. I wasn't recording when I cut this crease, and now I'm going to cut this crease. Carina and line my eyes with that. Okay. Popped on some lashes, and while that dries, I'm gonna go do my face really quick off camera, and I will be right back. So I'm back with my base done really quick. And now I'm going to be going in on my lower lash line, burnt orange. With Love Letter. Is mascara. I'm still making a lot of questions about my brother's stolen puppies, and they're all safe and sound. We got them back 24 hours later, and this one is Zeus. We got them all home safe and sound 24 hours later. They all went to really good homes, but yes, mascara. But I'm going to be taking some more of this liquid lipstick, and I'm going to put a heart on each of my inner corner. So now I'm going to take a little bit of Kitten Karma. I'm going to put that on the heart. Take a very pink blush, and I think I'm going to take Exhilarating. There you go. Now before highlighter and lips, I'm going to set my face with the Milani Make It Dewy setting spray. I was filming an experiment last night before I started filming this video, so that's why I didn't really show you. I want my highlight to be a little bit more pink, so I'm gonna go over it, pink hue to it, and I'm probably gonna mix some Starburst in there as well. Office pink. Okay, that gives you like a good idea of like what this highlighter looks like. It's not for everyone, but I love it with this look. Mixed with Milkshake, because I want it to be more pink, but this is like way too light for me, I can already tell. So first I'm gonna go in with Pure Hollywood. Guys, this is all I have for my little Valentine's Day look. I hope you guys enjoy, and please like and subscribe for any future videos. Thumbs up, guys, if you want to see my fiance doing my makeup, because I've been trying to convince him to do it on camera. Oh, yeah. But he won't do it on camera. Do you guys think he should? I think he should. He did such a good job on my fiance does my voiceover.
Yeah. Love you.
Love you. I'll get him to do it, guys, I promise.
You're a loser. Love you.
Love you.